6:30, just left last night's camp spot. Yeah, back on the road. We got told to go this way, I don't know if you can see. Anyway, the path, I'm pretty sure is this, but I'm pretty sure the path no longer exists. So look at that. So I'm gonna do a bit of diversion because this is just silly. I mean, I don't want to push my bike, but fucking Jesus Christ, this shit. That's a pretty cool view. Woo-hoo. I said I had about 450 metre climb in 4K or whatever the fuck it was. I mean, yeah, sure, the views are nice, but I don't want to be pushing my bike more than I'm cycling my bike every day. That's just ludicrous. I'll show you the views, which are pretty insane. First we've got this one, and then we've got this one. Just left the trailer, my foot definitely needed that rest day. It's been a bit of a slow start, but yeah, definitely needed that rest. But there's definitely a breeze here. I can see why it's such a prime location for wind, electricity turbines and cyclones. I believe we're in the Languedoc region now, so I called Cévennes, the organiser. I apologise for insulting him so many times. I will follow his tracé mostly, but there'll definitely be moments where I don't follow it to the letter. Right, this is the off-route bit, but we're going towards Kudos, which will take us back en route. I think there's about 700 metres of climbing, and I reckon it might just all be this stuff. It's going to take a long time. I've got really no idea if you're going to be able to see this well or not, but this is super fucking steep. Jesus Christ. Right, well, we're just climbing. Been pushing the bike a lot. I will continue to push the bike a lot. It will take quite a bit of time. This has actually been totally worth it, I'd say. I really hope it's showing on the camera, but the views are gorgeous. It's also that time of the day when the sun's not so high in the sky, so it's nice and light. Evening sun, pretty glorious. Oh yeah, that sun is pretty nice. May as well just keep going, and then when I find a nice spot, I'll just take it. It's quite nice light. Lovely little morning climb. Fairly late start, just slept really well last night. Nice bit of forest. Whilst some of the hiker bike is definitely an issue of me not having the fitness, I don't think this one is. Just missed me saying, oh my god, because we just rounded a corner and the view is pretty insane. We've just taken off. There we go. Should be able to see much better now if I hold it high like this. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? And then it's a whole load of flat to get to the pretty best section. So I might try and do that tonight because it's going to be pretty hot tomorrow otherwise. I was able to have a little bit of a dip. So we're just following a river called the Plaine, I think it's called. It's just this meandering, easy flowing type of path. And yeah, it's sort of getting too cold in our time, isn't it? So I'm trying to shape my shadow. It's like cycling into a wall of flies constantly. Yeah, I don't think I need to buy protein because they just keep getting in my mouth, my nostrils, my ears. It's pretty cool. There's Haut-Languedoc in the distance. I think I'm going to go sleep in a cemetery tonight. Should be nice and quiet, and there's a water point. Yeah, that's the plan. And a really good night's sleep last night next to the cemetery. As you can see, it's going to be pretty flat for quite a long time. It is pretty hot, and just having this road with trees around it, oh, that's pretty nice. Don't think there's going to be any hills for a while, and there should be a fairly long stretch of downhill, which is always absolutely lovely. That'll be good for France's bourgeois. Evening golden hour has been the vibe lately. Right, I think it might just catch up the camera. Yeah, it's really the sun setting at the moment. Here is probably where I'm going to sleep tonight. And it's working. That's gorgeous. Just left the cemetery. Had a really good night's sleep. Was able to have a bit of a shower with the tap. Definitely feel the lace from yesterday. Hopefully it's getting the shadow. It's kind of cool in the early morning. Right, well I think we're going, oh shit, fuck, in the right direction. Jesus fucking Christ. I mean, the irrigation system here is crazy. There just seem to be sort of capturing all the water from the sources. Look how gorgeous this is. But yeah, I just want to dive in there. It looks so nice. My brakes are still working, but I don't think they've got tons of life left in them. Are you joking me? Okay, right. The way up is that. That is really fucking steep. Right, well we've had a pretty rolling terrain. I don't know if you can't really see the ledge here, but it took me quite a while to get up there. Just come from down there, and then we're gonna push it up here. Oh, this is like peanut butter mud. Not in the colour, oh Jesus, but in the sense that it just sticks to everything. Oh my god. Right, well I think we somehow managed to get off course, but let me just show you what peanut butter mud is. I don't know if you can see that or not.
just everything gets stuck in the wheels. Cassette. But yeah, peanut butter mud. Anyway, I found this little village. It's got a really nice, clean water source. So I'm just going to dip my feet in for a bit, probably splash my face, have a biscuit, have some water, and regather. So yeah, decided I'm going to cool it down that way. It's been super hot, but the water's nice and chilly, so I should have a really nice cold drink. Fucking hell, mate. Oh my god. Yeah, Lord of the Flies in here. Peanut butter mud. Right, we're trying to circumnavigate the peanut butter mud by staying on the dry way, but it's gonna be quite slow going. Well, here are the lovely trucks responsible for these shitty fucking paths. Very leisurely start. Right, 50k in about 2 minutes. I'm going to stop. Bars tapping. Let me stop. I mean, that's pretty gorgeous. I don't know how I feel like. Part of me is a little disappointed that I mentally sort of gave up on following the route 100% because the last 500 kilometers have definitely been the easiest. This feels like a breeze. Having said that, the mud is getting stuck in my rim. So I'll show you what I mean by the mud getting stuck in the rim. So that's the peanut butter mud. It gets stuck in there and then it acts as a bit of a brake. It seems there's a watering system which is maybe malfunctioning, so it's right. That's got to be top water pressure full time. It's the end of time dip I've been waiting for. Alright, let's get in this little lovely river. Yep, that felt perfect. Right, well it's the last day, should be the last day at least. We've got 60k left. Let's get cracking. I'm really not going to miss pushing my bike. The road's alright, it's just 15%, which well, I don't have the legs for basically. Right, well I think this may be the last hiker bike section. In the distance over there you've got the Pyrénées. And I come from sort of over there, but yeah, the Pyrénées look very intimidating. We're just on nice rolling hills. I'm going up that. But yeah, and then like 50k left, something like that, and then it'll be over. Which I'm quite looking forward to, because it's felt like it's been a long time since I've been cycling, so. My brakes really feel like down the last legs. gradually walk it down. If you're tired and you've got a loaded bike, it seems pretty unworth the risk. Right, it's finally leveling out. I'm going to get back on my bike, but don't have the legs for these last climbs. Tell you what, I'm ready to let the bike go rest. It's going to be exciting not having to wake up tomorrow and cycle. Okay, 500 meters apparently. Hello. Oh, there's a bit of a massive downhill. There we go. I'm pretty sure this is the finish, so.